Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 33. To start off, we'll go for File, New, and select the part template. And once we have the empty template, let's go to the sketch, and we have all the planes here, from which we can select one of the plane to start the sketch. Let's select the right plane for now, and select a rectangle from which we can start doing the sketch. That would be this, and let's go for smart dimension and dimension this. That would be 60 by 100. Exit the sketch now and then go for extrude boss and base. You can give 12, double enter, and we'll select the edges here and give the dimension of radius 10. That would be fillet, radius 10, double enter. We'll confirm that. Now we have to create these holes here, so let's again go for the sketch and create holes by creating circles, and let's dimension that circle. That would be diameter 10 hole, and that is lying at a distance of how much? 60. This is 30, so this will be 15, and this is at a height of 20. And again, let's create an axis line here, and then select this circle here and go for mirror entities and mirror about and select the axis. Click on the tick mark and that'll confirm that circle there. So you can see here there's 4 holes of diameter 10. That would be 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is of diameter 12, so unless it's otherwise specified, you have to assume that these are the circles of diameter 10. And now we can exit the sketch now and go for extrude extruded cut. Go for up to next and click on tick mark, and that'll confirm that hole. And now, as you can see, from here to here it's already been done. Now we need to see what is this height here. So this is 100, and the total is 142. All right. Okay, let's do one thing. We have this face here, right? And let's give a rectangle from here to here that'll cover from this distance. So from here, that would be 60, right? 60 plus 12. 60 plus 12. So what I would do is I'll select this face here and go for reference and go for the plane. Go for creating a plane, and now go for flip offset and give 60 plus 12, 72, and click on the tick mark. So you have a plane over there. So what I'm basically going to do is create this face and extend that. So I'll just select this plane here and go for the sketch. Control 8 will reverse, And what I can do is create a rectangle that will be of same width. So I'm just snapping that width there. Now anyways, I would just give this as 60, and this height should be 54, right? It's 54. And now control 8, okay. Now we can see that the top of this rectangle to the bottom is 142. And what else? So I think the sketch, this particular rectangle is fully constrained. So what I would do would be exit the sketch and then go for extrude boss and base and give this thickness, so that would be 60. Double enter. So we have covered that. And now I would select this edge over here and go for fillet and select the fillet radius as 12, and we have that done. And now I would go for this edge and this edge and go for fillet again, and that fillet would be of diameter radius 12, and we have that done. And now I would select this face here and go for sketch again, zoom it a little bit, and then I would create a rectangle that would snap there. Now I would give the thickness of this slot as 5 and the length of the slot, or the distance of the slot, as 6. So I have that slot placed correctly. Then we'll go for extruded cut, and the extruded cut will be of length 12. So we have that done. And now I'll select this face here and then go for the sketch, control middle mouse button to pan, and I would basically give a rectangle here, and then smart dimension, and dimension that rectangle with length 6 here and 12 here, and I can just give this as getting aligned with this 0. And finally this will be of height 12, right? How much? 25 from here. So exit the sketch once again, and then you can go for extruded cut, up to next, click on the tick mark, and we have it there. Finally we'll select this face here and go for the sketch, zoom out, zoom in a little bit, create the circle, create circle here, and then go for smart dimension, diameter 12, and that's of distance 30, and at a height of 12. Exit the sketch now and then go for extruded cut, up to next, tick mark, and we have that done as well. Finally we'll select this face here, click on the sketch, zoom in a little bit, and create 2 circles. So 1 and 2. So go to smart dimension and dimension that circle at a distance of this is totally 60, right? So it'll be 15, and it is at a height of 15 here, so it's 15, and the diameter, as I said before, will be diameter 10 hole, as it's written over here. And instead of doing the same step for this, you can just simply go for the center line and create a center line here, and simply select the circle here and go for mirror entities and select mirror about as this axis and click on the tick mark, and then exit the sketch here and then go for extruded cut, up to next will do the trick. So we have that done as well. So let's just see the final product. I hope it's final. Yeah, I think okay, there is few more details to be done. That'll be this edge and this edge here. Select and then go for the fillet and give diameter as 5, double enter. We'll confirm that fillet there. And what else to be done? I think that's it. So that's it about this particular tutorial. If you have any doubts on this, you can comment below the video. Also, you can write to me at katia.producer@gmail.com for any special requests. Thank you so much and stay tuned.